This gets too close. I always lean forward, like towards the camera, you know, like stay back. I just have the powder under the eyes because I put the conditioner. I don't feel the burn on my lips anymore. I think they're just numb. So about 3 weeks ago, I ordered from a company called Beauty Creations. I never heard of them before. The only time I heard from them was because my favorite YouTubers, one of my favorite YouTubers, the MURILLO twins, decided to do a collab with them. Anyways, 3 weeks later, I got it. This is the first order because initially I wanted to go for the big PR package, but literally a minute in and it was already sold out. Like, it got taken from my cart. And then I placed the order for the 2 palettes. I don't have everything on me right now. The next video I will have the remainder of the order. It's just not here yet. But yeah, we'll be using Brianna's palette today. So I'm gonna use my my Marc Jacobs foundation. This is the Remarkable by Marc Jacobs in light ivory. So I remember I never wanted to use it because I didn't want to waste it because it's so good, but now it's like probably obviously expired and I want to use it. So if I break out, I'll let you know. Again, I'm gonna use a wet sponge to blend it. We'll see how it goes. I have my Smith Cosmetic brush in 115. It's just, I shook it very well, okay? I was there for like 2 minutes just shaking it, stirring it up. So hopefully if it doesn't work out, then also this is like very white. I remember that it was like paint. But the trick is you don't want to use too much because it can look crazy. Another thing about that foundation, it's like super messy, like the bottle itself. Y'all see that? Yeah, it was spilled on the top. Look how thick that is. Holy shit. Dude, I put too much. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to take my headpiece off. And also I had to do my brows because I was looking like a little too pale. This foundation is super light. So I went ahead and put some concealer. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which is a little yellow, more yellow than that foundation. So, but it still looks good. It looks okay. And then I took the Airspun and just like put some powder down here, and it's kind of like setting. And my lips are currently burning because I did use the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It's a little sample one. Look how red they are. Okay, it's burning. It's burning. If this gets too close, I always lean forward, like towards the camera, you know, like stay back. Okay, I'm gonna do some bronzing now. I get to use my new makeup. This is the Beauty Creations MURILLO Twins collab. This is the face palette, so look how pretty it looks. Everyone does this in the video. Pretty packaging too, look at it. It says Squad Goals. And this is the twins, and look at it. So hopefully this will bronze me up a little bit. It does have a cool and a warm tone in here. They're both warm, but this is more yellow, so let's hope it's not. This one looks more reddish orange. And you have a bright pink and a peachy. So I guess we're gonna do some contour first. I'm gonna use this little brush that fits perfect for my face. This is what is this? A Morphe brush. I'm in the set, so I'm not sure. We're gonna take this one up here and we're gonna tap that on. So I haven't set my face or anything. I just have the powder under the eyes because I put the conditioner. I put the concealer on there, so let's see how it blends. but then again, this foundation is very old, so it might not blend very well. It's looking all right. That's pretty, right? You guys know I'm so aggressive when I do this. I don't know why. I'm gonna take some more. That's why you probably want to pull your hair back, but I look like an egg. Let's have some more. And I put it pretty high up by like my cheekbones. Gives you a more lifted face look if you put it on your cheekbones. The double chin area. Not bad. I'm gonna take this one, the darker one, just to intensify a little bit more, but I'm not gonna blend it all over the place, just right there. See, it's already darker. Oh man. Okay, just put it there. And then I'm gonna wipe my brush. I'm gonna wipe off the excess on all that. I'm gonna blend. Okay, that blended out nicely. I'm gonna hit up my nose a little bit. Cool. Well, I haven't contoured my nose in forever. I use this one for the nose contour. And then with the blush, I think I might go with the pink blush. But anyways, let's use this pink one. Oh, I don't want to get the pretty bee out. Okay. Oh wait, no, I don't know. No, it's fine. Ooh, it's pretty. Just like I thought it'd be, dude. It's like that pink, pinkish purple, like very cold pink. You gotta load the blush, you already know. Oh, that's not a shimmery gleam. It has like, it's kind of like, not shimmery, but it has like a glow to it. Okay, I wasn't expecting that, but I'm mad. I think that's it for this one. It was very cool, looking good so far. So with this, with the flat side, this is a Real Technique. Real Techniques beauty. This will just make us look more snatched, like you got high cheekbones, you know. I'm gonna leave this powder here sit for a second. I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow now. I'm thinking, so right here I have Brianna's eyeshadow palette, just like this as well. In the back is just like her name, very cute. And this one does come with a mirror, but look how pretty. We're gonna do a pinky look, so I'm thinking I'm gonna use most pinks here. I'll tell you as I go, but I'm thinking like a cut crease moment, and like maybe kind of Valentine's-y, because it's February next week. The taper brush, this is like a blending taper brush by Morphe M139, and I'm gonna go with number 25. It's like a pretty peachy muted color. I love colors like this. So I'm lightly pressing. This is very lightly pressed, I believe, because it's picking up quite a lot. So just don't dig your brush in there. Like, put it. Oh my gosh, hella pigmented. Oh, cool. Okay, look how pretty that color is. Are you kidding me? Wow, all the way in from corner to corner. This is such a pretty color. Wow. I don't have anything like it. And I'm barely pressing it. I'm like tapping it. Look at all that. Wow. Woo. What's going on here? There. So I'm just blending away. The other eye was so easy to blend. I don't know what happened here. It must have been, I probably didn't. My foundation was pretty sticky, most likely. Now I'll take Double Vision, which is the pretty tan color right here. Same brush, and I'm just gonna, so this is less kickback. I'm just gonna put that over here and kind of blend up there. So this one I feel better tapping it because it's not picking up so much. So you have more control over this one. The other one was super lightly pressed. Fine pigment, what do you call that? I'm gonna use the Morphe E17. It's more of a smaller but dense blending brush, and I wanna go with Bay. That's this purple glittery one at the end right here. And I'm gonna lightly tap it. When I mean lightly, I mean I'm just pressing it like this. And pressing it on the corner here. Ooh, look at that. It's pigmentation, alright? Pigmentation nation. I'm avoiding the lid a little bit because I'm just gonna put some concealer there. Now with a bigger fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend the top here. I'm gonna grab more of that the white shade, Double Vision. I'm gonna just blend it up here. So now let's cut the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. It takes long and I get nervous, so I rather not. I cut my crease now. So let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna put Vibes. We're gonna go with Vibes. This is like the palest pink they have. I'm gonna use this flat brush situation. It's kind of stained. Wait, is this a cream shadow? Oh my god, hold on. Be wet. Okay, your brush needs to be wet for this. So I'm gonna take this black flat brush. It's pretty soft, and we're gonna spray it with some, I guess, setting spray. And still not picking up. Some shades of pink here. Let's use Hustle actually. This one right here. This. Okay. Now with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm gonna go back to this number 25. Go back on the crease here to get that density here. This fluffy brush as well, we're gonna go back to Bay and go back in here and blend that situation right there. Now with my finger, it looks like that's the only way to get this pink, the Vibes. So let me just, this is a tricky shade. I'm not sure I know how to use them. We take Hustle again. It doesn't really come on the brush. Put that back on the crease again. I know I'm going like back and forth, but I'm just like layering. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. liner. It's a liquid liner. This is it's not a felt tip, it's like a pencil. I hate my left eye for my wing. Like my shadow comes out perfect on the left eye, but the wing, don't ask me why. I I need to change the battery. I'll be right back. Hopefully this will be dry by then. Oh, sis, my leg fell asleep so bad. I don't feel the burn on my lips anymore. I think they're just numb. Okay, I need to learn how to do my eyeliner. Next video, I'll follow someone else's eyeliner tutorial or something. So for my lashes, I still have yet to put this on. This is the Sky High Lash Sensational, which Lash Sensational is already a lash on its own, but the Sky High version is different, I guess. This is from Maybelline. So everybody is talking about this on TikTok, but I'm liking the Falsies Lash Lift mascara by Maybelline as well. Maybelline, I don't know why I said it like that, but it's Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift. And every time I do my liquid eyeliner, I get the eyeliner all over my lashes, so they're already like hard. Does anybody else have that problem? I like the applicator. It makes your lashes look a little fuller. I believe the other one's more of a like spidery look. And my lashes are very short anyway, so I don't think it'll do anything. Great. Great. I'm gonna let that dry down. I'm sorry, did she say something? Because she didn't do it. So this collab did come with lashes. I just don't have them yet. I'm not sure when they'll get here. I hope they will. I just got those palettes today, like I said. And so yeah, I've been waiting a couple of weeks to get everything. But guess what? I have these. These are crazy, okay? I went to... It's kind of like, I don't know if you guys know what Burlington Coat Factory is. It's kind of like a TJ Maxx, Marshalls, that kind of vibe. And I found these there, so. But these are crazy, okay? I'm not sure. Do I have any open lashes that I want to use? I don't know. I hate opening new lashes, you know. I got this like a Daiso, I think. And I put all my lashes in here. Like, it's disgusting. I hate opening new lashes, even though I have a lot of them. I just don't want to waste things. And then they expire on me. Okay, a lash will not expire, but like makeup in general, yeah, I need to learn how to just use it and not save it for whatever it is I'm trying to save it for. This collab also had a couple lip kits, but they're not here yet. Okay, I got my Sephora eyeliner and I went over it because I ripped my lash off, so I went in and filled it again, and I gave myself two little cat eye situation, and now I'm gonna glue my lashes. I'm gonna glue my lashes on again. But yeah, I did take my lip off again because you guys know, if you watch my videos, I do my lip like 3 times. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like a dark lip liner with some gloss in the middle. That's what the twins do anyway. Yeah, I just copy what they had. Anyway, I'm gonna take my Sandstorm NYX pencil liner. The next video I will have their lip kit, so I will recreate another look. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see the second package I'm waiting for this collab. So I'll have the lip kits and lashes there. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills gloss. Right? Oh, I hate it again. Like that. So that's pretty much for the face. I mean, what else do I need?